Hi everybody, welcome back to Bobby's Bees, and today we're going to talk about how to make chapstick. Chapstick is really simple to make, and they make great stocking stuffers, party presents, and they're really easy sellers. We're going to show you how to make them step by step. Here we go. So once winter sets in, it's a great time to build hives and do your crafts, candles, and chapstick. And in the beginning, when you're pulling your frames and you're cleaning up your frames and you're dressing up everything, you're gonna collect comb. And you're not really gonna have a lot of comb in the beginning. That's what's really cool about chapstick, is it doesn't take a lot. It only takes 1 ounce of wax to make 30 chapsticks. So if you'd like to see a video on how we melt down comb to get nice clean wax, I'll put a video up in the corner and you can check out how we do that. But when it comes to chapstick, you're putting it on your lips, so you want to make sure that wax is like yellow, clean, banana color yellow. You don't want any mildew or dirt or anything. You want it to be really clean. So be sure, if you may have to strain it a couple times. So what's really neat about making chapstick is you can make it with all sorts of different kinds of oils. Sunflower oil, almond oil, coconut oil, the list goes on and on. We happen to have some True Goodness organic sunflower oil, so we just use that. We have a digital scale, and we put a plastic cup on the scale, measured out 1 ounce of wax. We have this really cool wax melter pot that we got for right around 15 bucks from Amazon. I'll link all this stuff. All these links are free. There's no extra charge. It's all down below, all the products that we use today. So this little melter we put on low, medium low. We'll put the wax in. This pot actually holds water. You fill it up with a little bit of water and that speeds everything up. It has a whistler. When it's whistling, it's ready. So now you'll zero out the scale again, and now you're gonna pour your 5 ounces of sunflower oil or almond oil or coconut oil or whatever kind of oil that you wanna use. You're gonna pour 5 ounces in the cup. So once your wax is melted, then you pour in your oil. I happen to have a kebab chopstick, so I used that to mix up the wax and the oil. So once everything's mixed up, at this point you wanna add your scent. I really recommend you have a scent to go with your chapstick, because the first thing somebody does is smells the chapstick. This actually is scent free. I made this specifically for deer hunters. Most folks will pop the cap and smell it right away, and they really want that smell. They want to even smell it when it's on their lips. Whatever scent you choose, the most important thing is to make sure it's made for chapstick. That was one of the reasons why we use sunflower oil, because it's naturally good for your skin. It has vitamin E. It's hypoallergenic. It's actually less likely to cause problems with oily skin or that sort of thing. So this whole process is only going to take a few minutes, so don't go anywhere. You don't want to overheat your oil. As soon as everything melts, at that point you can shut it off. It's going to stay warm enough to fill up all these chapsticks. These chapsticks are going to be dry within minutes. So a lot of people will use those quick filler trays. You can simply just put some paper down and set up all your chapsticks. I wouldn't set them up near that crease, because that's gonna probably tip over your empty chapsticks. Just set up your chapsticks all down a line, and what I like to use is a plastic syringe. You can fill up 3-4 chapsticks at once, whereas if you use a pipette, it only fills up the chapstick maybe a third of the way. The syringe is better because it holds about 10 times as much wax. Now once you have everything filled, everything will be dry within minutes. Give it about 15 minutes and you're ready to go. Now it's time to put your label on. You can make custom personalized labels for your apiary, your anniversary, your party. What a cool thing to put in your party bag, or a stocking stuffer, or just something to give your buddies or friends or loved ones, whatever. I mean, everybody needs chapstick. And if you got a good scent in there, you know, maybe you can figure out what they like: pumpkin, coconut, banana, lemon, whatever the heck, and maybe specifically hook them up with what they want. But the problem is with scents, you kind of got to do the whole batch with one scent. And this formula, 1 ounce of wax and 5 ounces of oil, is going to get you right around 30 chapsticks. That's a whole bunch. So click show more and you'll see everything that we used. Everything that we used was quality products that are inexpensive. Be sure to check out our Amazon store. We got lots of beekeeping products in there too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.